Okay, is it recording now?
Hey guys, this is Crashing Meteor, and welcome to another video. Today's video, we are going to be doing
Pepperoncini challenge.
So basically, the idea of this is I have to start eating a pepperoncini and see how long I can keep it in my mouth without swallowing it or taking it out of my mouth, which I'm going to do off screen because that would just be really gross.
Oh, don't want my
Either
shoe.
that, like swallowing. Stop it.
What? Stop what?
It looks like we are. It looks like you ate a ghost pepper with some of the sourest candies on the world in the mix.
No.
Okay, you get the point. Anyways, we have to drink this to get the taste out of our mouths, and taste out of my mouth because she loves them.
I love them.
So, I know what you're thinking. Why are you going to eat why are you going to drink a gross thing when you're already eating something spicy? This is not gross. It's chocolate and strawberry milk mix. Okay, so what happened is we already tried this and we did a joke, and it involved pausing and unpausing the video. I have a big head, don't die. Okay, bye. So,
Really? Ziggy, you gotta knock everything down? Please stop.
So we did like this entire thing, and then it turns out that we didn't actually do it.
Oh, we weren't
so
recording.
I ate an entire one of those for no reason. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways,
get on with it.
Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it.
Punch. Anyways, I am really hesitant to do this. I hate these things. Can you please stop my...
Why? I look like a frog.
You're going to embarrass yourself. You're going to embarrass yourself in front of the entire internet.
That won't be
Anyways, I'm really hesitant to do...
No skin off my nose.
I am really hesitant to do this. I hate these things. Let's do this.
You're gonna spill with the spoon in the way. The spoon. The spoon.
I didn't last very long.
Damn, I've almost... Look how many peppers I've eaten since we got this home. I've eaten almost this whole jar.
Okay, one more for the views.
You're gonna do another?
That if we only did one, then this would be a really short video.
Would you let me help you get that out of there?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big one. You want a big one?
Oh no. Yes, I want a big one. It's for the views. I'm actually enjoying myself.
Excuse me.
I love doing videos, no matter how much Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do this.
Just do it.
I'm enjoying myself.
Do it! Do it!
Stop.
Stop what?
I'm trying to say something.
Well, yeah, you're enjoying yourself. I say
I am really enjoying myself. No matter what you say, I will always be enjoying myself when I'm doing these videos.
Do it!
When I'm doing these videos.
Do it!
Stop.
Well, don't let me stop you. Here, I'll take that part.
Okay, here goes nothing again.
Peppers are good for you. Get your blood pumping. Clears your arteries. Clears your intestines. It's good for the body. Good for the mind.
Anyways, I still got the spiciness in my mouth. So I'm just going to go hug this stuffed animals. I hope you enjoyed
See your
this.
stuffed animal.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Show the stuffed animal.
And goodbye.
It's Ferrex. Ferrex the stuffed animal, the stuffed tiger. Alright, where's the button?